Imagine this. It's the 1960s. The world is glued to their televisions as NASA sends humans to the moon for the very first time. But behind the scenes, top NASA scientists are gripped by a chilling fear, not of rocket failure, but of something far more sinister. They believed the moon might be crawling with ancient, dormant alien viruses and space bacteria. If even a single microbe hitched a ride back to Earth, it could unleash a catastrophe beyond imagination. This wasn't just science fiction. It was a real, deadly serious theory. NASA's brightest minds debated late into the night, haunted by the possibility of a space plague that could wipe out humanity. This fear would shape everything that happened next, setting the stage for one of the most bizarre chapters in space history. When Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins splashed down after their historic moon landing, they didn't get a hero welcome. Instead, the world watched in suspense as the astronauts were whisked away into a sealed, airtight biohazard trailer. For 3 long weeks, these pioneers were treated less like celebrities and more like potential biological threats. The military and NASA took no chances. Every precaution was in place to prevent any possible alien contagion from escaping. People everywhere tuned in to live TV broadcasts, anxiously peering at the trailer's windows, half expecting to see the astronauts mutate or fall ill. The tension was real, and the space plague panic gripped the public's imagination like a true sci-fi thriller. As the days passed and the Apollo 11 crew remained perfectly healthy, NASA's worst fears began to fade. The moon, it turned out, was completely sterile. No ancient viruses, no space bacteria, nothing to threaten life on Earth. Quietly, NASA dropped the strict quarantine protocols for future missions. The space plague panic, once headline news, faded into obscurity. Today, almost no one remembers the drama and anxiety that surrounded those first moon landings. It's a forgotten chapter that shows just how much we feared the unknown and how science and caution shaped history. The story of the space plague is a reminder of how our greatest achievements are often shadowed by our deepest anxieties.